Welcome to ENLIGHTEN Additions. In Vedic maths, we do additions from left to right. Let's do some examples. 63 plus 84. First add tens place, then units place. 6 plus 8 equal to 14. As it is in tens place, 140. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Therefore, 140 plus 7 equal to 147. Let's do another example. 154, 392. First add hundreds place, then tens place. Next, units place. 1 plus 3 equal to 4. As it is in hundreds place, 400. Now, 5 plus 9 equal to 14. As it is in tens place, 140. Here, we got a carry. So, 400 becomes 500 and we have 40. Then, 4 plus 2, 6. Now, 500 plus 40 plus 6 equal to 546. Let's do another example. 739, 528. 7 plus 5 equal to 12. So, 1200. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. So, 50. 9 plus 8 equal to 17. 1 carry. So, 50 becomes 60. Then we have 7. Now, 1200 plus 60 plus 7 equal to 1267. Multiples of 10. Multiples of 10 means a number which can be represented in the form of 10n, where n is a natural number, that is 1, 2, 3 and so on. Example 200. 200 can be written as 10 into 20, multiple of 10. 30 means 3 into 10, multiple of 10. If we have multiple of 10 in addition, we can do addition in 3 basic steps. Step 1. Convert the number close to multiple of 10. Step 2. Addition. Step 3. Add or subtract leftover number from result. For example, 304, 167. Step 1. Here 304 is close to 300. Convert 304 into 300. Step 2. Add 300 and 167. 467. Step 3. As we subtracted 4 from 304 to make 300, add leftover 4 to result 467. 470. Let's do another example. 198 plus 76. Step 1. Here 198 is close to 200. Step 2. Add 200 to 76. 276. Step 3. As we added 2 to 198 to make 200, now remove 2 from 276. 274. Let's do another example. 392 plus 799. Convert 799 into 800. Now add 800 and 392. 1192. Now subtract leftover 1 from 1192. That is 1191. Split the number. 27986301. Here the number is big. So split the number into two halves. Now first add 2763. Here 27 is close to 30. Therefore 30 plus 63, 93. As we added 3 to 27, now subtract 3. Therefore 90. Add 98 and 01. 99. Answer 9099. Let's do another example. 7632. 4198. Split into two halves. Add 76 and 41. 41 is close to 40. 40 plus 76, 116. Now add leftover 1, then 117. Now add 32 and 98. 98 is close to 100. 100 plus 32, 132. Now subtract leftover 2, then 130. Here 1 is carry. Then 117 becomes 118. Answer 11830. String of numbers. If we have string of numbers to add, we can add from top to bottom or bottom to top. If we add in the normal method, 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 5, 22. 22 plus 4, 26. Here we are getting higher numbers. It complicates the edge. To avoid this, in this method, if we get more than 10, then we will put a dot next to the number and carry the units digit. For example, 9 plus 2 equal to 11. Here we got double digit 11. So put a dot next to 2 and carry 1. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. Now put a dot next to 5 and carry 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Put a dot next to 9 and carry 8. 8 plus 8, 16. Put a dot next to 8 and carry 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Put a dot next to 6 and carry 2. 2 plus 7, 9. Here we got carry 9 and 5 dots. Consider each dot as 10. Therefore, 50 plus 9, 59. Let's do another example. 9 plus 7, 16. Dot and carry 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Dot and carry 0. 0 plus 9, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Dot and carry 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Dot and carry 2. 2 plus 9, 11. Dot and carry 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. dot and carry 2. Here we have 6 dots, that implies 60. And we have carry 2. 60 plus 2, 62. That's it for today's class. See you in the next class. Thank you.